Alright, what's up guys? This is Bizzo and I'm back for another unboxing of the Glytch Energy, the best energy drink in the world right now. So much better than brands we won't talk about. Am I wearing the right? Yep, I'm wearing the right hat. I just got back from snowblowing, so I'm gonna show what's in the box. I went ahead and got the shaker cups ready for testing, like the review of the flavor. So I've already opened it, obviously, but alright, but we're gonna get right into it. So I got the Glytch Nerdies. I've been really excited to try this one. I have 3 of these. I got Cosmetic Candy, which is supposed to taste, it's rainbow candy, and the Nerdies is grape and strawberry candy. But this is the Cosmic Candy. My bad, said it wrong. That one's Nerdies. Then I got 3 tubs of Maui Punch, which is tropical punch, so it's like Tropic Thunder. That's what it looks like. I also got the Glytch Limit Test, which is mixed berry. And that's what this one looks like. I have 3 tubs of that too. And then I went ahead and ordered Glytch Revive Cherry Limeade, because I'm running low on my other one and I want to get ready for summer. And I got Glytch Revive Blackberry Lemonade. And then I got Dragon Sweat and Moonbow sample packets. And if I'm correct, I found one in my truck too. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The one in my truck makes 7. So if you want to try Glytch Energy, I have the right amount of sample packets that are available right now. Now we'll do a giveaway with these, because I don't need sample packets. So I will give these away. All you have to do is like the video, comment on the video, and make sure you're subscribed. Because if you're not subscribed and you comment, you're not going to win. You got to be subscribed and you got to stay subscribed, because like, say if this giveaway is done and you didn't win and you unsubscribe and you only subscribe for giveaways, well, I'll recognize that. So you won't be entered in the next giveaway if you unsubscribe and then resubscribe for a giveaway. It's not fair to the people that stay subscribed. So things are changing with that. But I'm not sure if I covered the cherry bomb in any of my other videos. But that, I got this a while back. I don't even know if I did a video for it, but I'm gonna try the flavor here on video. And don't, with this much water, don't put a full scoop. I did because I'm dumb. Makes it way strong. It's good, but with this much water, it's super strong. So, like, I'm getting a full serving with not a lot of water. Oh, man. It's good. It's just really, really strong. Alright, so the next one I'm going to test will be Limit Test. It smells like Kool-Aid. Yeah, so we're going to try this one. I don't know. It's sour. It's a little bit sour. I don't know if it's supposed to taste sour, but it does a little bit to me. And this is just my rating. Yours could be different because, you know, everybody's taste buds are different. But it's probably like a 6 out of 10, maybe a 7 out of 10. It's good. It's just my taste buds are a little confused on the flavor. And then I got the Cosmic Candy. Oh, that's got a strong smell to it. We're not doing that again. And it looks like there's a candy series. So Cosmic Candy and Nerdies are in a candy series. Alright, we're going to taste this one. It's got a sweet smell. Tastes like a candy. I know that's what it is, but God, I had this back when I was a kid. Oh, I don't know the candy name. It's been a while since I've had this, but this is good. This is like a 9 out of 10. And I don't really care for sweet things, but that's really good. Alright, next up, we're going to try Maui Punch. And that has a really nice smell to it. And this is just like Tropic Thunder, but I think it has a little bit of extra flavor added to it to make it a little different. Alright. That's really good. My taste buds are a little confused because I'm trying like 5 different energy drinks, but this one has it has a strong aftertaste. And I can't pinpoint what the is it like pineapple or something? Pineapple and coconut maybe. I know, but it has a really strong aftertaste. And I'd probably rate that one a 9 out of 10. Now, the next one I'm excited to try is Nerdies. That's a strong smell too. I used to eat Nerdies, nerd candy all the time when I was a kid. So I'm pretty excited to try this. So far, none of these flavors have topped Glytch Berry or grenades for me yet. So maybe this is the one. Interesting smell. It's probably a 9 out of 10. They're all really good. The only one that has me confused is Limit Test. But otherwise, they're all really good. Yeah. So since my camera cut me off, I don't know why it's choosing how long my videos are going to be. But this one, the Pro Series has 8 clinically approved ingredients in it versus the Smart Energy, which only has 3, it looks like. They made it more friendly, like money friendly. So this is $29.99. This one's $45.99. So they took out some ingredients to make it easier to buy, so it's not as expensive. Glytch Berry is still my #1 favorite, and